everybody, welcome back to another video. Today the postman just came and I have a package. I really never blind buy, this is extremely rare for me, but I blind bought this one. And this is the new fragrance from Rasei Fort. It's inspired by his trip to Mexico and it has notes of caramel, warm spices, resins and a tequila note, but I checked with Rasei before I bought it that it's not too boozy because I don't like boozy fragrances. He said the tequila note was soft, and so it sounded like a really good fragrance. Caramel and spices sounds tasty to me. Rasei is one of my favourite perfumers. I really enjoy his work, so I went ahead and got it, and the box it comes in looks really cool. The bottle looks cool, so I blind bought it, but I'm going to open it up and we're going to do a first impression. Once I've worn it for a couple of weeks, I'll do a full review later, but as a first impression and unboxing, that's what this video is. So, it came a couple of hours ago, but I've been a little bit busy with stuff, so opening it right now. If we can get in, how do we open this? Let me see. Okay, we got it. What is that? Oh, well that's nice of them. They sent me samples. Oh, but they're Fort Manley samples. Well, I've already tried them all. These are Fort Manley samples. I might give those away because I've already got Fort Manley samples, so they're no good to me. I can see Bozhnikov Purple Hat, Amber Absolutely, and there's a third one, but the label's the other way around, so I can't see it. Okay, the third one is Fateh Salt Mehmed, which I own a bottle of, so I'll give those away to someone in the UK. I'm not going to ship them overseas. If you're in the UK and you want 3 Fort Manley samples, hit me up in the comments section and I'll pick a random person. And so, this is box and the bottle. Okay. Chop, chop, chop. That should be enough. Ooh, lovely. Oh, the box is beautiful. Love the artwork. Ah! The little tab's not on fully. There you go. So it's beautifully painted on the lid, and this is a cool little wooden box. Label on the back there. And then, and then that comes off. Beautiful. Label's not there. Let me spin it around. There we go. Cool. And it's in a little bed of straw, which is nice. Let's do that slidey bit again. You ready? Okay. There you go. Beautiful. Looks nice, eh? I don't know how to pronounce it though. Cielito Lindo. Something like that. Okay, so we'll first impression. But the presentation's lovely. This box is cool, man. I shall certainly keep the box and put stuff in it because it's rather nice. And so this is the fragrance. It is a 50ml black atomizer. I cannot smell anything yet. Okay, let's give this a go. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't do blind buy. I don't recommend blind buys either. But there you go. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. It's quite resinous. You get the resins. Get a dabble of spice. The caramel's not too like, I was expecting like maybe a bit more gourmand, a bit more caramel, a bit more foodie. It's quite soft, it's quite light. I got soft resins, a little bit of soft spice, nothing too overpowering, and a hint of a soft kind of woody sweetness. There's definitely a floral kind of light component there. There's almost kind of a slightly leathery vibe to it, like almost like a slight, a slight leathery tone. Oh, it gets a little bit sweeter when you on my neck. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, I can smell the caramel there. Oh, weird. It smells different around my neck than it does on my hand. Okay, in the air I definitely get a little bit of that caramel. It's not like a massively potent, powerful beast mode thing. It's quite light and airy on my skin. It's nice. I like it. I'm quite happy. Not completely what I expected. I was thinking more kind of thick gourmand, but it is quite more, it's a little bit lighter. I think personally it's definitely unisex. Spring, autumn, winter, daytime or nighttime. Casual or dressed up actually. Fairly versatile because it's not like too in your face strong, it's got a lightness to it. Cool, I like that. Definitely gonna wear it. So yeah, welcome to the collection. I'll give it a couple of weeks to get my head around it and see how it wears. For the first impression, it's not overly boozy at all. I don't get like a massive boozy vibe, thankfully, because I don't like boozy vibes. Like I said, I get soft resin, soft spice, a touch of a sweetness. In the air, it smells a bit more caramel-like. On my hand, maybe not so much. A little bit more of the resin. With a slight floral nuance. Slightly watery as well. There's a slight kind of transparent, watery, kind of translucent wateriness to it, if that makes sense. But very nice. I think it's well blended. It smells really good. I like it. I'm gonna wear it for a couple of weeks and do a full review later. But if anyone else has tried it, let me know. Again, that's the box. That's the bottle. And I'll see you again soon with some more videos. Successful blind buy, I like that. That's cool. I enjoy that. I'll see how it dries down, and I'll see you soon with some more videos. Take care, everyone. Bye.